Yeah, they know I'm up next. They can hate, that's okay. I'm a stunt with my team. Get this money, find a way. Yeah, they go. Yes, you want me, but we keep it on the low. I'm the go. I'm the go.
Look at God.
Shout out to Angel giving away for his birthday.
Bro, can I get to it, bro? Can I get to it?
Good shit, Angel.
Can't even do nothing on my birthday. Nobody can do nothing for me. I'm giving away stuff on my birthday.
Like, it's your birthday every day. Shut up.
Get out of here.
I gotta take an Instagram picture, y'all.
Yeah, thinking he's sexy.
My birthday picture, look. Squad, yo, what is up, guys? How you guys doing today? Right now, it's my birthday. Guys, it's feeling good today. We got the bikes loaded up, ready to hit the track, and I'm borrowing my new Jeep. Got the partial of the top off. We're just gonna enjoy the day, man. We got a couple things to do before we even hit the track, so we're gonna go do them. Let's get the day. What's that? Who's that? I'm calling you. My bad, Mike. Didn't mean that. First stop, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I drove all the way over here on E. The whole, like I'm talking about the whole way. Had like this much gas, and we drove for like 27 minutes. I almost ran out, y'all. I didn't, but that's why I love Jersey. So I need to tell it cost me $57 to fill up this gas tank. It's a good day, baby.
Come and save me. Waking up, my lifestyle has been crazy. I've been in the making. I've been balling out this shit, it feel amazing. Wait a little to come and save me. Yeah, just come and save me. My lifestyle is just going crazy, but I've been balling on this. This shit feeling amazing. I ain't worried about a break up, man. Just used to play me, now I'm feeling like a player. Sorry, I cannot save it.
The girl was riding. I wouldn't do it. Hello?
Y'all ready to ride?
Yeah, he just got her advice. Say B squad. B squad.
She's shy.
She's not though. She's just acting like it. Oh, she's shy.
That's bang. I'm gonna go get registered up and all that cool shit, and we gonna ride. All right. All right.
Yo, we bought chairs for nothing. We got bleachers. Dog, that's the same thing Fatty said. We did not buy them for nothing.
Yo, are you ready?
We gonna ride.
Ooh, hello.
Hello.
Oh,
shit.
it's Brad.
Hey.
How you doing?
Guys, I'm kind of scared, man. I ain't scared, baby. What you talking about scared?
I'm about to say.
You ain't scared. We gonna do this shit.
Oh shit, your goggles match your helmet.
That's what we do, baby. I mean, no, this ain't what we do. I mean, this is just new, but we still do it. You know what I mean? Let's unload these bikes, man. Yo.
Hey, where's my chair?
What, baby? Your chair's in the truck, man.
Oh, that's whose chair that was.
What's seat class? What are you? A? C? Yeah.
People come and go. Y'all do it for the fame, I do it for the dough. I ain't got no bus to drive no more. I'm too busy on the road doing shows. I'ma put on for my city, I'm the goal. I'ma put on for my city, I'm the goal. Talking down, you will get your ass whacked. I'm from Philly, bitch, and rapping myself. Smoking ganja, no, I don't fuck with the act. Roll a L to forget about my dad. I know. But I don't care what they say, cause all they gon' do is just talk. I'm making them mad in the face, I'm making them sick, make them cough. We all gonna get out the struggle. Be patient, baby, gotta be humble. Be humble, boy, you gotta be humble. Yeah, you gotta be humble. I ain't got no bus to drive no more. I'm too busy on the road doing shows. I'ma put on for my city, I'm the goal. I'ma put on for my city, I'm the
Everything made.
Give me that on GoPro back there. Where is it? I forgot the piece. Oh,
So we good.
I just
Break down the whole motor part. Yep.
They racing now?
Let's go with them.
Pull back. You see where they coming out now? Well, BRAAP should be in front of them. That's BRAAP right there. In the middle of them two right there. They're about to turn the corner now. Fatty. Hold on, Fatty about it. Fatty ain't come over yet. Oh, that was good. Oh, look, Fatty coming out. Yo. Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
He got scared. He looked back.
He with a group.
Where they at?
He probably nervous. There's too many people around. Patty should be jumping that shit right now.
Which one?
The one in the back. He should be coming right now to do this with us.
I love you.
You about to pass out. I was jumping back there. There's nothing to jump up here. That big ass one?
Man, that's the biggest one on the track.
Yeah. The one that we first turn off and go up? Yeah, that joint was steep. Alright guys, we're about to get this closer, man. I've been practicing. This is like, what's this, our third round, fourth round?
Yeah, about that.
Third, fourth round. We got my man Stunts in the building.
Ribbon Stunts, what up?
You already know we got About to go rip it up. Come on, you ready? Let's go. I'm gonna get it. B-Squad, hold up. Ready? Shit ain't easy, bro. Hey, yo, these guys are sitting on that part. Not bad, right? Yo, you out. I gotta get my fork though. That's not gonna do it. Yo, we gotta just set base so we can come around. Yeah.
Lay there. Don't get right up. Just lay there.
I'm getting right up. Because Daddy right there. That angel. Ooh, I like that's a good picture. That's a good picture. That's the first time. Oh, I want to see the hill. That's what I want to see. We got pictures.
I'm tired. I can't even catch your breath. Can't even talk. What was that? How many laps you did?
Like 15.
Yeah, look like y'all did like 7.
7 laps. It's a pretty big course.
It is back there watching y'all.
So you like it?
Open this joint up, yeah.
What is it? Oh,
My birthday, 19.
birthday.
We ain't gotta worry about the age, boy.
Damn, I can't ask.
Shit, my bad, bro.
Don't be really like funny Mike though.
Oh, you ain't even tell me nothing about that.
What the plates at?
You want to see that truck?
You need to take off.
Happy birthday to you. Hot dog,
I got a carrot.
Happy birthday.
Nah, stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
Happy birthday.
Too pretty for this shit.
You're nasty 19. Happy birthday to you. Hey, the candles didn't stay on.
That's why I kept telling you open the grill. That's why I said. That's why they said go get the plates, and I was like, yeah, go get the plates.
Y'all so sweet.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
Yo, how you liking that birthday bike?
I love it.
He kept looking over there. I'm like, fuck, flying around the track. He gonna walk over.
Yo, it's the best. Yeah, you wanna get a hug?
That's so sweet. That's so sweet.
Thank you, baby. Alright, on some real shit, you got to play. See, you lied to me. Y'all just mean. I'm gonna cut the cake. I cut the cake too.
So guys, it's the end of the day. Angel had a great birthday. I wanted to say happy birthday. I love you. I can remember bringing you home from the hospital. You've been an amazing kid. Keep up all your hard work. It pays off. The sky's the limit, and I want you to keep growing. Happy birthday, baby.
Oh guys, my mom is so sweet. You're the best mom. I love you. Thank you so much. I had an amazing birthday. Like she said, I enjoyed my day with the family, with my girlfriend, with all my friends. We just killed it at the track, but honestly, I'm paying for it. My back is killing me. Like every bone, everything in my body hurts right now. Oh, I'm like, it's really sucky. But I gotta keep working for you guys. I'm about to, everybody that ordered stickers in the last couple weeks, I haven't got to them. I'm sorry, but I'm getting some today and they will be shipped out tomorrow. I love y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do what you guys do best. Peace.